Alright guys, welcome back to another episode, and today we're doing another camera review. Let me just clean this for you. A perfect alternative to the Canon A1, and that is the Minolta X-700. Let's get into it. So, okay guys, I'm not gonna lie, it's been pretty tough the past few days trying to be positive, trying to be up for making something. But yeah, you know, it's but I felt like I had to stick to the schedule. It's another really good 35mm SLR camera that I think would be really good for anyone really, a beginner. It sort of falls in line in sort of the same category as like the Nikon F3 maybe not quite the Nikon F3, but definitely the Pentax K1000, definitely the Canon A1, the AE1. That's sort of where I would put this camera alongside. It sort of does exactly what those other cameras do, but I would say this is most like the Canon A1 in that, you know, it's a full black body, it's sort of it's quite small and compact. But it has aperture priority, which is, you know, sort of what the Canon A1 sort of pioneered. It has a max shutter speed of 1/1000th of a second. It's got an exposure compensation dial. It has a self timer, little threaded mount there for a tripod. It's got a hot shoe mount, so you can take it to the studio if you wanted to. The way I use this camera is that, you know, I use this as a sort of, you know, just as a going out for the day, nothing serious, just want to live document, you know, a day out, you know, day out with family and friends, nothing really serious. So the fact that it's plastic, it's not, well, I don't know if it's fully, it's part plastic, part metal. Plastic does make it lighter, which makes it, you know, a lot more portable. It's a lot nicer to sling over your shoulder, and it's very comfortable, no problem there. One thing that this does have over the Canon A1 is its kit lens. So the kit lens is 1.7. For the cameras of this era, pretty much all the kit lenses were 50mm 1.8. The Minolta X700, the kit lens is actually a 50mm 1.7. You get that slightly faster lens. Wide open, it's a bit soft, I'm not gonna lie, but the bokeh wide open is actually really nice. Fun fact, I actually bought this off of Ed Paves. Yes, that guy. I went and shot a roll with it just to see if the camera still works, because I haven't shot it in a while, and a lot of them came out just half blank, half, I don't know what's happening, and I thought it was just because I hadn't used it in a while. But then I look back at all my old photos that I took with this almost a year ago, and it's sort of like a recurring problem. So sorry if I'm not as pep and perky as usual. But yeah, so I'm gonna have to send this off to servicing, trying to see what the hell's wrong with it. It's a great alternative. If you find one in good condition, these cameras, these sort of beginner level SLRs, are definitely gonna just increase in value, I would definitely say. Another thing that the Canon A1 has that this one doesn't is a shutter priority mode. Not that I particularly use shutter priority that often, to be honest. Oh yeah, it also has, but it does have a program mode, so maybe that is shutter priority. I don't actually know what program mode is. Can anyone explain to me what program mode is? Yeah, it also has a bulb mode, so you can take long exposures. It also has a PC sync cable port over there. It has a depth of field preview button as well. And on top of that, it also has a huge range of really good lenses. So, you know, similar to the Canon, the Minolta lenses are generally a lot more affordable than those of the Canon. So that's another great reason to get into the Minolta system. To be honest, I bought this camera at a stage where I was sort of hungry for cameras. I bought this at a stage where I was sort of wanted to collect all cameras before when I had serious gear acquisition syndrome. If any of you could sort of explain to me why, you know, this happened, these sort of, you know, sort of half the frame sort of blacked out. Yeah, I shot those in aperture priority. Yeah, if anyone knows why that happened, I'll be very grateful. Let me know in the comments. Yeah, otherwise, either way, I'm gonna have to send it for servicing. But yeah, I'm staying true to my word. I'm still going for 2 uploads a week. So yeah, if you need some content, something to keep you going through this time, then yeah, consider subscribing. Comment something nice down below, guys. Hope you like the images. Let me know what your favorite images are. Yeah, despite the fact that this camera needs servicing and it's sort of given me quite a few headaches, it does take beautiful images. Yeah, it does. Yeah, it definitely competes with the best for sure. You know, with the Olympus OM1s, your Nikon F3s, your Canon A1s, all those legendary 35mm SLRs. Okay. Yeah, if you don't know how we do things around here, I upload to the channel twice a week. Yes, that's right, twice a week. We're going for 10,000 subscribers by the end of the year. Sorry guys, doing my best here. I hope you guys take some comfort in the fact that, you know, when you're feeling down, just know that everyone else is going through the same shit. Everyone's feeling a bit shit, really. Yeah. Yeah, I was sort of thinking, you know, part of me's torn because one, we've got incredible weather at the moment, but two, I don't want to go shooting because, you know, I just feel really irresponsible. I'm going to keep on creating these videos because at least it'll give me something to do and give you guys something to do to help you kill the time. Follow me on Instagram at Zain Shoots Film. Check out my portfolio at zainreader.com. With all that said and done, keep learning, keep shooting. Hang tight, guys. I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.